If you love cruising, the ships, the food, the ports, the people, well, you're in the right place. Maybe you've sailed a dozen times and you're chasing your next dream itinerary, or maybe this is your very first cruise, or even just something that's been sitting on your bucket list. Either way, CruiseForum TV is here to make sure your next voyage is your best one yet. Hey, I'm Dave, and this channel is all about helping you cruise smarter, laugh harder, and make the most out of every day at sea. We'll cover ship reviews, behind the scenes, tips, port highlights, packing hacks, and the honest stuff that most travel sites skip. I'll also share real discounts, secret programs, and hidden offers that cruise lines rarely talk about, plus the occasional giveaway for our subscribers. So whether you're looking to save money, upgrade your cabin, or just score a little onboard credit, you'll find it here first as well. So whether you're a first timer, already diamond, platinum, triple, whatever status, welcome aboard. Hit subscribe, join our CruiseForum TV community, and let's explore everything the cruise world has to offer together. This is CruiseForum TV, where your journey starts long before you sail away.
Talk about how fun it is to cruise.